Hi everyone, this is Erich Guzman and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this tutorial video, we are going to talk about the Primavera user interface including the toolbars, commands, and menus. Now in Primavera Physics, there are many built-in toolbars. Now these toolbars, we can hide it or we can display it depending on what toolbars that are very useful to our daily usage of Primavera. On the upper left part of our screen here, you can see this file, edit, view, project, enterprise tools, admin help. Now, these are our main menu tabs. Now, each of these main menu tabs, they have their own corresponding toolbars or commands. Now, if we click this file, you can see all of these toolbars here, edit, view, project, enterprise, tools, admin, and help. Now using this tab view, click here, and then we now go to toolbars. We can all see the available toolbars here. You can uncheck or uncheck these toolbars depending on what toolbars you want to display. Another way of showing these toolbars is just by right-clicking here at the toolbar area. Right-click, and there you go. You can all see these toolbars. Check or uncheck. And here in our toolbars, you can see a customized button here. If you click this one, we will be shown a customized form. Now for this form, we can also check and uncheck different toolbars here, and we can click these commands, and in these commands, we will see the corresponding commands available for each category or each menu category here. For file, these are the commands or toolbars. For edit here. Now all the toolbars here that you can see, these are our default or the standard toolbars that are very useful for daily usage of Primavera. Now if you go back again here, toolbars, if we uncheck project, the toolbars of the projects here will be hidden. And if we checked it back, toolbars, project, there you go. All the toolbars of the project is now again displayed. Now all the individual toolbars icon here can also be reset to default or to the standard by selecting again this view, toolbars here, and then customize, and then just click reset. But again, so far all the available toolbars here are the default and the standard. So if you display some toolbars and you want to hide it again, or you want to change it back to the default, you can just click the reset here and then press OK and then close. The toolbar icons can also be added to our bar here by again selecting the view, toolbars, and customize, or simply by just right clicking here, click customize. Now again, we can see this customized form. Let's click here on commands. The toolbar icons can be selected from here, from our dialog here. Let's say, for example, in file, this is our file toolbars. We can only see the 3 toolbars available here or displayed here: the new, open, close all. If we want to add the page setup, we just have to drag it onto this bar, like this one, and there you go. You can see that the page setup toolbar icon is now displayed or added here in our file toolbars. And also, if we want to change it back or if we want to hide it back, since we don't need it anyways right now, drag off again and get it back here in customized form, like this here. So it's now gone, or it's now hidden again in the file toolbars tab. So that's how you add and remove toolbars using the dragging on and dragging off. Another way of customizing the toolbar icons, adding or removing, is by clicking here. So for example, we can see the down arrow here, here. If we try to click this one, we will be shown a button of add or remove buttons. If we click this one here, you can check or uncheck some toolbars here. If we check this, it will be added here. If we check this one, it will be also added here. And if we click the reset toolbar, it will be changed back to the standard or default toolbars like this one. The toolbars displayed can also be locked. So when the toolbars are locked, they cannot just be dragged. So we can do that by view, selecting view and lock all toolbars. If you click this, you cannot just easily drag some toolbars available here. There is another option of customizing or displaying toolbars that can be found again here in the customizing form here in our options. In this form, you can see this show full menus after a short delay. This is always checked. Now this is not advisable to uncheck this one. So you always have to check this to ensure that full menus are always displayed. So this will save time waiting for the menu item you require to be displayed. For an additional knowledge, there is a bar that we call the status bar. Now the status bar is located at the bottom of the screen. This one, this is what we call the status bar. It can also be displayed or hidden by selecting view and select the status bar here. If you check this, it will be displayed. If you uncheck this, it will be hidden from your screen. Now, this status bar shows some very useful information about the project that you're currently using or a project that is currently open. So that is all for today's tutorial video. I hope you learned some new few things. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.